Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's look, I created this warm tone green makeup look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. And as you guys know, we're doing giveaways once a month on our channel, so make sure that you're subscribed to our channel and that you turn your post notifications on and like this video and then comment done, because you guys won't want to miss this month's prize. We're actually giving away the full collection of the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Vault collection, so definitely you want to be entered for that giveaway. So first I'm going in with the NARS concealer and I'm just applying it all over my eyelid as a primer, and then I go in with a damp beauty sponge to blend it out, and then I go ahead and set that with some translucent powder just so that it makes blending eyeshadows easier. So now I'm going into my Dose of Colors Sassy Siennas eyeshadow palette, and I'm grabbing the lightest pink shade. And I'm just putting that in my crease with a fluffy brush. That's going to be my transition shade. So I'm just going in back and forth motions. And then I'm taking the darker pink shade and a more defined angled brush, and I'm just going to start applying that shade a little bit above my actual crease, just really concentrating that shade and slightly creating a line, but we're going to blend it out right after with the previous pink shade that we just used, the lighter pink shade. And then I'm going to go in with the darkest brown shade in the palette and a small defined brush once again. And I'm just going to be drawing the line over where we drew the previous line. And pretty much if you want to get a cut crease that's defined but still really blended, this is how you do it. Just layer eyeshadows over and over and just repeat those same steps. And then I went in with the first pink shade once again just to really diffuse that line and to make sure that everything's nice and blended. And then I went back in with my NARS concealer just to really clean up my eyelid space. And it's just really going to help make the eyeshadow that we put on the lid pop. Next I took this palette that I got in my BoxyCharm. If you guys want to look it up, this is the name. And I grabbed this sparkly green shade, which was gorgeous. And I put it all over my lid. And I really love this eyeshadow. I feel like I'll be using it again. It's really reflective and pigmented. And then I grabbed my Pixie Liquid Fairy Lights Sunray on top. It's just like a glitter that comes in a tube, but it has an applicator, but I just used a brush because it just makes it a little bit easier. And then I grabbed the same first pink shade that we used in our Sassy Siennas palette, and I just packed that all over the outside of my lid, blending it inward slightly. And then I grabbed the darker brown shade as well, and I just concentrated that on my outer V. Next I'm going in with some Shop Sofie Bella lashes. These are unreleased, so let me know in the comments down below if you guys like these lashes. And then I grabbed the lightest pink shade once again and put that all over my lower lash line. And then to finish off this look, I just added some mascara. And once again guys, if you want to be entered for the giveaway to win the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Vault collection, make sure you are subscribed, make sure that you like this video, and make sure that you have your post notifications turned on so you never miss a video, and then comment done after you complete all those steps. So this is the finished look guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.